Okay, so how to make a payroll? Example is Ipil company payroll, no? For the month of May 2026. Okay, example, ito yung Excel natin. So kung baguhan pa lang kayo sa inyong position or designation as a clerk, no? Clerk in to make a payroll. So pwede din ito yung gagayahin ninyo, no? Wala pang layout po yung company or kayo yung gagawa. Okay, so dito may rate dito nakalagay, gross salary, uh, days work, gross salary, the SSS, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, tax, and total deduction and net pay. Okay, so start with the rate. Example, yung rate, the provincial rate. No? So, example, si John Cruz, staff, punta natin dito, talaga natin dito is 750. Example, si Maria Santos, cashier, that is 850. So, si Kevin Reyes, encoder, that is 890. Supervisor, that is 1,050. Then, si Mark De La Cruz, clerk, ito is, lagyan natin dito is 650. Okay, so, may rate na tayo nakalagay dito. So, ngayon is, we need to total or to count how many days yung nagtatrabaho si staff, cashier, encoder, supervisor, at saka si clerk. Okay, like for example, in 1 month, okay, so in 1 month, there are 2 weekends, no? 2 days weekends, either Saturday and Sundays. So in 1 month, there are 4 weeks. So there are 4 weeks. There are 1 Sunday and 1 Saturday. So for 2, 4, 6, 8. So there are 8. Okay, lagay natin dito is example is 22 days, no? Or 24 days. Okay, 24 days. So meaning dito sa gross salary nila is ito yung total kung magkano yung sahod ng mga employee. Okay, so we need to put equal sign. Okay, lakihan na natin. Okay, para mas klaro. Okay, we need to put equal sign. Then, click natin tong 750. Okay, 750. So, lagay natin dito is asterisk lang. Asterisk meaning per day yung daily yung rate nila. So, multiply by days work. Kung how many days silang nagtatrabaho. So, enter lang natin. Meaning, mayroon silang 18,000. So, drag lang natin ito para mag-compute lahat. Okay, si staff is yung salary niya, gross salary niya is 18,000. Si cashier is 20,400. Si encoder, that is 21,360. Okay, si supervisor naman is 25,200. And si clerk naman is 15,600. Okay? Example for the SSS is may binabayaran po si employee 1 or si John Cruz na 27, no? 27. Okay. So, meaning same sila lahat. May 27. Okay. So, then after that is PhilHealth. Deducted PhilHealth is 200. Okay. So, by the way, yung PhilHealth is ano naman siya? Fixed na babayaran. Okay. Like, that is example lang. No? Then, si Pag-ibig, example, si encoder is hindi po siya nagbabayad ng Pag-ibig. Okay, example lagay natin dito is 1,000 1,030. Okay, so 1,030 yung dalawa. Okay, tapos ito si ano is, lagay natin ito is 950 and 850. Okay. So, dito sa tax, no? Sa tax, we need to compute taxes based on how many percent na tax yung kinukuha sa mga employee. Example, yung institution or yung company na ipilipil is 5% yung kinukuha niya sa every, example lang, that's for example, every the gross salary of the employee. So, example, 18,000. So, equal sign natin. Equal sign, put equal sign. Click natin to. So, click natin. Then, after clicking, we need to put asterisk or multiplication, no? Times natin sa 5%. So, lagay natin dyan 5% or pwede din ganito, no? 0.05. 0.05, no? Okay, pwede din ganyan. So, pwede din percentage. Okay, tapos, atin mo kan enter lang. So, meaning yung tax ni staff is 900 per month yung madidak. Okay? So, idag lang natin. So, ito yung taxes na kinukuha every month. No? So, example lang ito ha. So, every month, ito yung tax na kinukuha. Meaning, dito natin ilalagay yung total dito kasi deduction, total deduction man ito. No? So, based on the SSS, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, and tax, which is, lagay natin dito is 5%. Okay, which is 5%. Okay, so, i-total natin ito, no? So, we need to put equal sign again. Then, type sum. Then, click lang natin tong sum. Then, highlight natin to from the SSS until the tax, no? Then, close parenthesis, enter. So, meaning yung deduction nila is ito. 4,800 for the staff, no? So, dag lang natin para malaman natin lahat ilan yung deduction. Okay, for the so ito yung deduction, total deduction based on the remittance and also the taxes, no? So, example dito is the staff is 4,830 and clerk naman is 4,530. Okay, so now ilan yung marireceive na salary at the end of the month ni employee. Okay, so we need to put equal sign again. Then, we need to click the salary or the gross salary. No? Click the gross salary. Then, we need to put minus or ito. Less natin itong total deduction. Okay, so then enter lang natin. Okay, so meaning ang marireceive na monthly salary ni or net pay ni John Cruz or staff is 13,170 na lang. So si supervisor is may ma-receive siya na 20,090. Okay, so ito yung how to make a payroll, no? So okay, so I hope may natutunan kayo on how to make a simple payroll para naman matrace yung mga when you say deductions and also the net pay of the employee. So yun lang and I hope nakatulong. Thank you and God bless.